Hi, I'm Shane Grantham, Grantham Consulting. I do computer service support and repair, and I also do some simple electronic repairs. This is an electronic keyless remote control for a General Motors car, and my client, there's another part of it, my client had a problem with the battery falling out of it, and if you see here the mounting bracket, just a little aluminum piece has come off the circuit board, and I'm going to resolder this. And this is the second one I've done for her. The first one still works, so we're going to attempt to solder that. Here's my solder, and here's my soldering iron right here. Okay, I think it worked. If you look here, here's the bracket, and there's a solder joint. It looks like it's in there now. And the battery, a little wafer battery, is going to go back in here. And the polarity says it's got a plus sign on the top, so that means you look at the wafer battery and there's a plus on the top of this side of it. So I'm going to slide that in there. Now I can't test this, I don't have this option, and it wouldn't work on mine anyway, you'd hope, so I'll also have to give it back to her and see if it works. And then we're going to put the put the bottom back on. Like that, and the top goes like this. Of course, she's going to have to change the battery because I think she said the battery was dead, but there it is. I just resoldered a keyless remote control entry for a GM vehicle. It's been Grantham Consulting, Shane Grantham. Thanks.